Could I live on Mars? Yes, but we got to create the atmosphere. Elon Musk is working on it. So we'll see.
I don't see how this simulates being deep down in the ocean. Can you imagine?
We're about to board.
We are here. Yeah, it's not a full flight. Maybe no one will sit next to us. We made it.
This is our Airbnb.
To the Airbnb.
Very nice.
But
It took
a
us
sitting
a while
area.
to get in, but we eventually got in.
It's got a kitchen
Very cool.
and a bed. All
Starfish sleep.
everything we need. The world is yours.
Alright, so Bryce liked this machine. Way to go. There it is.
My left is stronger. Slow and controlled. More weight.
Yeah, Bryce, try the max.
200 pounds. I can't.
That's okay.
That's all I got. Greg is doing the whole stack.
So we'll see if I can even do this.
No warm up. No warm up needed. That sounds like a cat around here. It looks like a pigeon, but it's literally called a catbird. It sounds like a distressed cat. I'm glad that it's not a cat though. It's too loud to be a cat. We got Krispy Kreme.
Yeah, coffee. Black.
Brownie one. I wonder if this one has filling.
What that inside look like.
But filling is like a pudding.
Nice.
It's like chocolate pudding. It's very good. Cosmic brownie.
How is it?
It's good.
Good?
Yeah.
Shovel that shit down your throat.
And this is
Cake batter?
cake batter.
Yeah.
Yum. It's my favorite, honestly.
Oh, it's your favorite? Oh, cool. It's probably light then.
Yeah.
Yeah, lighter.
Google what the Can-Am building was. You remember the movie Scarface where they would come in with the duffel bags full of money?
Oh, yeah. Say hello to my little friend.
Based on that.
Oh, wow.
That's no bullshit. When they remodeled, they tore into walls, they found millions and millions of dollars inside the
shit.
bank walls. It was drug laundering. They would fly a helicopter up top, drop off some sandbags of money, and filter it through the bank. So when you read the history of Can-Am building, it's intense. Former Marine Corps pilot goes rogue, starts flying cocaine from from the Keys. And
20 my fitness pal, eggs, 429 calories.
For my 200 followers.
Yes.
45th floor with
Oh my gosh.
Amazing. That's amazing. Got the Ferris wheel. I feel like I could take a wingsuit and jump over the edge and fly.
Right into the water.
I advise this.
Yeah.
If I do drop my phone. Kind of like the painted cows. Oh my god, that cat is so funny. Yeah, look at the mouth on that one.
Hyena.
Chihuahua. This is a great day in Green.
sound energy travels as a wave. As sound waves travel away from your mouth, they scatter and lose their energy. However, the parabolic shape of the dish reflects the sound waves, so they travel to the other dish without scattering. When the waves hit the opposite dish, they refocus into louder, more energetic waves that your friend can hear. Try this. Face the dish and whisper into the ring on the pole. Have a friend stand at the other dish with their ear up to the ring. Can they hear what you're saying? We're gonna go. Let's check. She's gonna whisper to me. Okay. Can you hear?
Can you hear me, Greg?
I can hear you. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, I hear you so clearly.
Ah,
That's
it's your voice.
That's so wild. I can hear myself too.
You can.
Like it's coming from
The feedback from the phone.
the feedback. I can hear the feedback.
Wow.
Crazy.
Science. Got some balls in your hand, Bryce? Are we learning about currents? Dam or bridge, you decide. Which one protects more animal homes? Whoa! We got flamingos. Wait, no, not flamingos. What are these animals? Look at them drinking. It smells like fish.
It's like a zoo.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
How many grams of protein do you think's in one fish?
Depends on the size.
That one's probably got like 300 grams of protein.
Okay, what about this little yellow and black one?
That's probably got like 15 grams of protein.
It's hot. We're in the bubble.
Bubble of the stock market. Bubble of the fish tank. If we zoom out far enough, we're just a speck in the total solar system. Now you're zooming in.
It's us. Here's Earth.
The blue little bulb. There could be life on other planets. We need to explore our solar system and the entire universe more. These scientists think dark matter is real. 94% iron, 6% nickel. Meteorites. So meteorites can contain minerals. So the only way that gold could really get heavily devalued in price is if a meteor with a ton of gold deposits crashes on the Earth. And then that would increase the supply of gold, thus decreasing the price.
Sharks. But how useful would it be for chewing, you know?
I'm so sick of running as fast as I can. Wondering if I'd get there quicker if I was a man.
It's like a dog fight, but they're friends. It's okay. Sibling rivalry. Oh my god.